everyone, it's me, Alegra. I'm super excited because Scott Barnes was good enough to just drop some more makeup knowledge on us. He just shared another makeup hack that I have tried already and it is so game changing. So I couldn't wait to come and share it with you. So the makeup pack that I'm going to show you today is a face lifting makeup pack that Scott Barnes showed on his Instagram. Now, Scott demonstrated his makeup pack with blush, but for today's look, I'm going to use this bronzing powder. This is actually a vitamin enriched pressed powder from Bobbi Brown in the shade Golden Brown, and this is going to work as a bronzer for me. So you can do this hack. I adapted it for my own look with using more of a bronzing product. The bronzing product that I'm showing you is a matte bronzing product, but he is showing it with a blush product. So you can do it either way. And so let's just dive right in. If you love, for the purposes of this hack, I'm going to use a bronzing powder today. So I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury sculpting brush, and I'm going to just swirl right into the bronzer, and I'm going to show you how he applies this to the face. So here I'm just taking again the powder, and then now he applies this powder, the contouring powder, the bronzing powder, to the cheekbones and upwards. So he is not applying it into the hollows of the face. He's not applying it under the cheekbone. He's applying it essentially pretty much right on top of the cheekbone and bringing it up into a C shape. And then kind of just blending it even under the eye, just to blend everything and melt everything all together. So what he's explaining this as doing, it is going to give you a much more lifted look. So there you go. And then he did even take it up into here towards the eye socket, and again in this C shape, hugging your eye area down under your eye. So as you can see, we're just applying it like so. And this is going to, again, lift your face. Now, just to show you in comparison, this is how people were previously, or you could still do it. It depends, what kind of look you're going for. This is just going to give you a much more lifted look. So as you can see, this one really emphasizes the cheekbone, whereas this one is just giving a totally different look. It is, again, it's meant to lift your face. So I have to say, in real life, looking in the mirror, this looks so beautiful. But on camera, this is very eye-catching. Just looking at, the viewfinder, just looking into my phone here, it looks very eye-catching, I think, this one. But in real life, this is so more beautiful. This one actually looks much more beautiful to my eye in real life. So what do you beauties think? Would you try this makeup hack? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Actually, let me sculpt a little bit. Let me do the whole look, because normally I do put some powder. So let's go ahead and do our full kind of routine right here and just see how it looks all together. He was describing this. I have the clip, I believe, from his Instagram.
Everybody used to put it right here. No. We're going to go right in here. Bring it up toward the front and bring it a little higher. So
kind of above the bone almost. Or
a little bit, kind of almost to the eye socket.
Yeah.
And to the cheek. Smile a little bit. See right in the apple there? I'm going to show you guys right placement. It's really important. Making a little C shape. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And that lifts you, right? So let's pretend like this is the 80s. We're going down here. Now that hollows you out and it's lower.
Yeah.
But this lifted. Right. So we're going to go back in here again. And then bring it up kind of by the eye. Right? Are you laughing because this is crazy, or?
It's just a big difference.
Instagram, follow Scott Barnes on Instagram if you love makeup. He gives so many wonderful tips. I mean, it was about a month ago that he came out with the hack to put Aquaphor under your eyes with the essentially almost like a chapstick Aquaphor product. Run it under your eyes to prevent the creasing. Have you beauties tried that? I did try that. I've studied Scott Barnes since day one. Since I found out about Scott Barnes, could have been maybe 20 years ago, him and Jennifer Lopez made in Manhattan. I have been hooked on Scott Barnes. So I actually had a handwritten note that he gave me. I'm obsessed with Scott Barnes because I ordered his products from his first makeup line, Body Bling. I don't know if any of you guys remember that. And I ordered it, and he sent a handwritten note with it. I was basically in tears because that's how much I love, Scott Barnes, and I love makeup. So I am just doing right now just my normal contouring routine while I'm just letting this bake, and then we'll wipe it away. Let's go ahead now, guys, and see how it comes out. So I'm just gonna wipe away the bake. What do you guys think? Which side do you prefer? Did I tell you this? I was trying to tell you this and then I got off topic. He was describing this as more 80s looking. So it is more dramatic, and it is more glamorous, and this is very natural, very youthful, great for every day, beautiful for everyday makeup, especially with the bronzer, because it just looks very sun-kissed. I actually did have a makeup artist do this to me recently in New York City. I don't know if you saw my New York City vlog. I was so shocked, but he didn't bring it all the way up here. So that was really different for me. Or if you saw my previous video, Scott Barnes takes it all the way up like that into the eye socket and downwards. So that is the difference if you had seen my previous video. And he was saying how it gives a more sun-kissed look to makeup artist at Blue Mercury, New York City. So yes, it does look so much more sun-kissed, very youthful, very effortless. Definitely, this is more glamorous looking in real life. And this is beautiful. Again, I've never seen anybody do a C shape up so high with bronzer and then took it under the eye. So it is actually, I can't tell, wait till I have to see it back, but just from looking here, I can see why this does look very eye-catching and things like that, and very glam, but this is so beautiful in real life. It's literally pretty shocking how gorgeous it looks. Super sun-kissed. Again, youthful, lifted, very lit from within. So let me know what you think of this makeup hack. Will you try it? Have you tried it already? Which side do you like better? Lifted, or again, we'll call this sculpted and we'll call this lifted. So which one do you like better? Let me know. Do you like this one or this one? Have you already been following Scott Barnes on Instagram? He is just such a makeup genius. I feel like he is the creator of everything wonderful in terms of makeup. I love him. His makeup. I did meet him in real life. So nice, so caring. Because I was telling him my whole story about my love of makeup. I just couldn't stop, guys, because I was so excited. And he listened to me, and he could have been like, girl, he could have like sent me on my way. But he was so caring and so nice, because I was just, I was oversharing, I'm sure, but I couldn't help it because I was so excited. It was, for me, I can't even imagine if you met, say, if you were an actress and you met Julia Roberts, or if you were a director and you met, Francis Ford Coppola, or somebody just that you are, you're great. My greatest, that's my greatest, if you love singing and you met Celine Dion, that's how it is for me meeting Scott Barnes, because I'm so just enthralled with everything he does. I just love him so much. So I'm so grateful he's sharing so many tips now. More, he's always been sharing tips, but so glad that he shared a tip today. So thank you, Scott Barnes. And he does have a makeup line. Check it. I'll have everything linked down below, or with the shop with YouTube feature. But again, let me know which side you like better. Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you follow Scott for tons more makeup and beauty tips. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon.